You are what you eat, in and out of bed. Alecia from Alecia here. Here are the best foods for your sex life and your sperm. Number 1, nuts. Turns out nuts are great for your, nuts. Consuming 3 ounces of nuts per day can improve sperm vitality, shape, and movement, and you might see improved erections, orgasms, and sexual desire. Number 2, lentils. These legumes are rich in a chemical called, fittingly, spermidine that reduces blood levels of cortisol, the stress hormone linked to erectile dysfunction. Lentils are also high in folate, a B vitamin that's associated with better sperm quality and count, and anthocyanins, an antioxidant that may protect sperm quality from daily exposure to microplastics and other damaging forces. Number 3 is oysters. They are a romantic cliche for a reason. Oysters may lower your risk of erectile dysfunction and improve your sperm health because they're high in zinc, a mineral that contributes to healthy blood flow, is a building block for testosterone, and is critical for sperm production. Friend to pasta and pizza, tomatoes also support your libido and your sperm. They're high in lycopene, an antioxidant that's associated with healthy sperm count and improved vascular function, leading to better erections. Next up, salmon and sardines might not seem sexy, but these fatty fish are 2 of the richest sources of omega-3 fatty acids, which reduce inflammation throughout the body and potentially lower your risk for erectile dysfunction. Omega-3 fatty acids also act as an antioxidant in semen, potentially improving sperm count, motility, and morphology. And finally, red, blue, purple, and black fruits and vegetables. Think cherries, plums, and fittingly, eggplants. These foods contain anthocyanins. These antioxidants may protect against testicle damage from microplastics, improving sperm health and regulating testosterone, the hormone behind the wheel of your sex drive.